Okay, so today is day 2 of our CRF450RL bike build project. That's going to be both a motocross, enduro and street legal bike. In this video we are going to be installing more than 10 different upgrades on the bike, and in the end of the video we will tell you why we didn't install the air filter that we bought for the bike, and you can see which one it is and so on. We're also going to test ride the bike in motocross, enduro and street riding, so make sure to subscribe if you want to see those test riding videos. Let's get started. We added the frame guard here, which had to be modified here, so we had to cut it down here because this is the RL model and not the R model. So we cut it with a box cutter also here at the bottom. Same thing for this swing arm guard. We had to cut out here for this bracket here. Just cut with the box cutter to accommodate these mounts here. And we installed a SETA chain guide. And most importantly, we installed Michelin Starcross 5 with tubeless system, which we're really excited to test with maybe riding with 8 psi or 10 psi, so you have really good traction and no risk of pinch flats. We also removed the license plate mount to save a few pounds for off-road riding. And over here we also got the frame guard here and the swing arm protector. And the front wheel as well, Michelin Starcross 5 and tubeless.
Oh yeah, I think that.
So there's 2 valves, so you have 2 tire pressures to set. You have high pressure 110 psi, that's for the high pressure bladder that lays on the inside to protect the rim. And then you have your actual tire pressure here, which you can set to 10 or 8 psi or even 6 psi if you want for your actual tire pressure. And the installation, I recommend you to just find a video on how to do that, because that's a long story. But if you follow every step correctly, it will work. If you don't, it will not. So that's all about that. Okay, and now we mounted the SETA triple clamp handguard mounts that are extremely strong, so the handguard will not rotate when you crash hard and potentially damage your cables. Also, like over here, it protects you from breaking the brake line that runs right here, so the handguard cannot rotate up and damage this one. Okay, so now we're starting to put the stickers on the bike. Everybody knows that the bike will be at least 5% faster with a cool looking sticker kit on, right? So we already got the rear fender sticker on here, and then we're gonna get all these other stickers on. So it's gonna look like a real HRC Honda racing bike. Okay, so now we're getting the stickers on. Some of the holes need to be cut out here. Okay. Okay guys, so now we're putting on the Enduro strap for lifting and pulling the bike up. And it was a mysterious way we had to figure out how to do it easy. So, because you have to take the front suspension off to get this through, because this is running really tight in here. So it would be impossible to put this strap back through if you open it up here. So what we did is we just temporarily bend this this steel bracket out, and then we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna bend it back again, and then we will see how it works. So let's just try to get it out here. So now we're gonna see how to turn this like this. Okay. Okay, so you just put it around here like this, and then you fold it, and then you take this bracket and put it back on here. And then you put this one that we bent off back through like this. And you tighten it up a bit, like this. And then the plan is that now we are gonna find our tool, which is here. And if you get a close look here, we're just gonna fold this back. So here I'm bending back the steel pin that goes through the bracket back to its original shape, and it locks the straps on tight. Yeah, because I can feel that this material, this metal, is actually quite strong. It doesn't get weak by bending it like this one time, back, off and then on again. So I think this is gonna work quite well. Oh, and by the way, after testing the bike on the trails, we found out that it would actually work better if you mount the strap under the triple clamp. So do that, and then that's the benefit of watching these videos, is we've tested it. Yeah, now it's on and it feels tight. Okay guys, and now we put a funnel web air filter on. They say on the forums that this should give it more power and throttle response. But I want to say that this brand is very hard to install because it has a loose fit. So the lip that goes around the air filter frame is not tight fit, so I would say it's not that safe to mount without having a risk of error and not having the lip closing fully around the edges around. So I would choose another brand, and the original actually has a really good fit, like the OEM filter. It also has a frame and safety hooks, 2 of them. So that's my advice for now. Okay, so finally we're done with the bike build, and we got the sticker kit on, and I think it looks super cool. Especially I like this retro Honda wing logo design here. Reminds me of the CRF450 I rode back in my teenage years when I was riding a 1998 CRF450. As you can see here, we also mounted an exhaust protector and another strap at the rear fender. And now it's time for the fun part, which is to go out and ride it. And we're gonna test it on the streets, motocross tracks, trails. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see us test the bike in all these different conditions. And if we're lucky, we might even go and race it within the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one. If you want to learn more tools and techniques and habits that can improve your life quality and performance and well-being overall, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like tropical island holidays, visit fitcamp5.com for my 2-time TripAdvisor award-winning training camp, where we train fitness and action sports together while learning to live a healthy lifestyle and, maybe most importantly, have fun at the same time. And if you're really serious about improving yourself, you should definitely check out my full online courses, where I share step-by-step programs on how I developed my own routines over the last 12 years as a CEO, working in 4 different countries, while being a successful competitive athlete with more than 20 years of experience in fitness and nutrition. Check the link in the description for that. And in any case, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, be awesome, believe in yourself, and see you on the next one.